Govardhan Nikata Nivasam Dehi Govardhantvam. Yeah. So he's saying that, please give me resonance. But now, what's he saying in this verse? This is 97. This Vilap Kusumanjali this is really hard. Swakundam tavalo lakshi sapriya sadaspadam atreva mama samvasa iheva mama samstita. So this is the final word. Someone might say so many things. Says, this is my dying word. Like someone's dying, and there's so many debates going around. Or when the judge speaks, one lawyer says this and the other lawyer says that. Oh, he did this. No, he didn't do this. Then the final word is the judge. Boom. He's guilty or he's not guilty. Then everybody has to be quiet. So this is the final word on Raghunath Das Goswami. He says, restless eye. Lola means swinging. Like Dolana. Dolana means Hindola. Hindola means Julan, swing, Hindola. Lola Akshi means eyes. Yeah, okay, go. Oh, Lolakshi, restless-eyed girl, Radharani, your lake, Tavasvakundam, Swakundam, Tavasvakundam, your lake, Radhakund, is the Sadaspadam, Sapriya. This is the dwelling place. This is where you always stay with your beloved, your Priya, your dearmost Shamsundar, Priya Priyatam. So first line he's telling about, in your Kund, Radharani, in Radhakund, you always stay with Krishna. So here he's telling the place, the Paramgati, the topmost lilas stali and place to aspire to live in, to serve, to remember. He's saying, Swakundam tava lo lakshi. Oh Radharani, you're lo lakshi. Your eyes are very restless, you're very chanchal. And my mind is also very chanchal. My mind is chanchal, means restless, unsteady.